Aloha and mahalo for joining me. I'm Janet and welcome to the Call to Create podcast. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And I have a holiday wish for you. And today's holiday wish is on giving. I wish for you to receive giving and to give giving, if that makes any sense. And I want to start off and talk about giving in a way where we can kind of understand about giving because when we think of giving, it's like you're giving something or you're giving a gift to someone. But if you really think about it, giving is a two-way thing. It's like the person receiving the giving has to be able to receive it and want it. So it has to be reciprocal. And, it's not, giving is not only about giving gifts or, buying someone a present or anything, especially now during the holiday season. We're talking about giving gifts and all of that. But if you think about it, giving is so much more than giving a gift or buying a present because when you think about giving something, it's usually has to do with like either giving your time, giving your energy, giving your emotions, giving a gift, and you have to use money sometimes when you have to go buy a gift, or sometimes you give money. And giving is such a big topic too because it involves so many of those things your time and talent and energy, emotions. But if you think about it, we give because we want to feel good. We want to be able to have someone receive what we're giving, no matter what it is, if it's time or something, a physical object or anything like that. But we always give because we will always get something in return. And that's a good thing when you give something because you want something in return. It's good when you're doing it for the right reasons, where you're giving because you want someone to love you back. Like when you're in a relationship, you give love because you want to receive love. And you also give love because that's the right thing to do. And because people are so different, we all have different personalities, different thoughts and ideas, different upbringings. We will always give differently because we are different people. And that's the beauty of humanity, is that we give differently because we are different. Can you imagine in a world where we're all the same? We'd just be like robots. But we're not. So it's so wonderful to see all the different ways that people give of their time and energy and money, and share your talents and your gifts too. That's part of giving, and that's another reason why you have gifts and talents, is to give and to share with people, because that is what makes the world go round, is when we share our gifts and talents and we brighten up someone else's day. So I want you to think about the kind of giving that you give. What is it that you do that is just natural? Do you just naturally give of your time because that's just who you are? Do you just naturally give gifts or money to people? Do you give your warmth and love and compassion? Sometimes you can just give that if you don't have the means to buy gifts for people during Christmas. You can give of your time. Sometimes all people want is just a listening ear, somebody to love and care for them or care about them. So think about the ways that you can give and be giving in a good and positive way, because you have to be careful, because you could actually give when, if you're in a bad situation. Sometimes people just keep giving when it's not really helping anyone, because we give because we, like I was saying, we want something in return. So sometimes I know women who have just given, and especially like to their children, they buy gifts and they buy things, and they do everything for their children, they're just giving, giving, giving so much, and then they have nothing left for themselves. You burn out, they have burnt out. They have enabled their children, and their children have become ungrateful and just outright mean and selfish. So be careful and think about how you give. We want to give so that it's a positive thing and not a negative thing. And think about our Savior when he walked the earth. He gave of his time and love, and he gave all that he had to help people and to teach. And I encourage you to use the Savior as an example in giving, because he is the perfect example. So think about all of these things. It's so good that you can give of your love and your time and your talent and money, and reach out, like I say in so many of my episodes, reach out to your neighbor or anyone who you know could use 5 minutes of your time. Give of your time. We all have 5 minutes to give to someone in need, because I know that we waste a lot of time on the internet and all kinds of other ways and in front of the TV. So think about it. What can you give today to brighten someone's day and to make someone else's life better? I'm all about service and serving and taking care of people around you in a positive way, because we all have something to give that comes from a good place. We all have been given the gift of giving and love. So tap into that, and remember, you have worth and value. So give a gift of giving of your time and your love to someone, because this is what will fill your life with joy. If someone is giving something to you, remember to receive it. Because when you give something or time or energy to someone, you want them to receive it, and receive it with love and joy. So remember, if someone is giving something to you, remember to receive it and take it in and receive it with love and joy, because that's what makes this world so beautiful, is when we can give and receive. Because receiving is part of giving. You cannot give one without the other. It all works together, the giving and receiving. And that's my holiday wish for you today. And thank you for being here. And happy holidays. And please share this podcast with anyone who you know would get great value out of listening to it, especially if you know that they're thinking about starting their own business. Or even if they're not, there's still great value that I share in each episode that can bring value to women, even if they aren't interested in starting their own business. And please rate and review this podcast. I would appreciate it. And thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. Aloha.